raspberries. The top tier fruit, sweet, tart. Only problem is they don't last super long. But so today on Cooking with Parker, I'm gonna show you how to make a nice raspberry vinaigrette. Way better than what you get in stores. Like 5-6 ingredients. This is for my series, Fruits A to Z, so I'm cooking through the whole alphabet. Different fruit for every letter, up to R. And so let's get into it. For a vinaigrette, you generally want to do 3-to-1 oil to acid. So if you're doing like, 1 part vinegar, 3 parts oil. So start off with some red wine vinegar. I'm gonna use the kind of measure on this. Just doing a little bit of vinaigrette, so like 50 milliliters. That'd be about 1/4 cup. And then we're gonna do olive oil 3 times that, so 150. So just measure up to the 200 milliliters. There you go. You want to use a nice kind of light olive oil. If it's too robust, it's going to be a little overpowering. You can also use other like neutral oil, seed oils if you want. I just like the flavor of olive oil. So then I drop in 1 whole clamshell of raspberries, 1 little squirt of Dijon that's going to help it emulsify, just 1 extra balance of flavor, sprinkle of salt, and some cracked black pepper. So, salt and pepper, a lot of people consider 1 ingredient. Technically it's 2. Otherwise, vinegar, oil, mustard, raspberries, salt and pepper. Just blend that till it's nice and smooth. You don't want to go overboard. If you do, the oils will start to emulsify and you'll get like a raspberry mayo. Not as good. Just give this a little taste. That's pretty nice. I'm going to strain it out so you don't have the seeds in there. You don't have to do this step. So I really want the raspberry flavor coming through. That's why I did a pretty small little amount. Just kind of push this through into a pint container. The other nice thing about doing it this method is it's going to stay together pretty well. You can always make a vinaigrette, just whisk it by hand. But using a power tool or, little food processor, break down any sort of other elements you want to put in there, and it'll come together real nicely. A little bit of a pain, but getting those raspberry seeds out is worth it. Yeah, so there you have raspberry vinaigrette. Thanks for checking out Cooking with Parker. Make sure you check out my series. So last week I did quince. It's a really nice kind of unique fruit. Looks like a cross between an apple pear. A great flavor. Make a quince jam with that. Next week I'm going to do strawberries. Everybody loves strawberries, so can't go away from that. Got a great family recipe. Do it every time in the summer for that one. Put this over a little feta almond mixed green salad. More fresh fruit would be good. That's pretty nice. Don't forget to comment if you make this. Like the video. Subscribe if you haven't. Appreciate it, and I'll see you next time.